YouTube, Move to Bali, episode 2. Boxes! Getting rid of stuff! Getting rid of stuff! And guess what? Not getting rid of some other stuff. Guess what's beautiful about this? This is very gorgeous, and it's knit and all that, handmade. It's beautiful. But guess what? If you live in a tropical country, in a tropical island, you might not need a big, heavy sweater. Well, I'll tell you one thing. Things are moving. This has been one of my biggest lessons on the move to Bali. That is stuff. And though this has some stuff that I'm keeping, I've got some magic books in there. Yeah, you know me and my magic. Oh, yeah, baby. So I've got my magic books in there that will be safely going with me on the trip. There's some other stuff that's not. So going through all this, I tell you, has been like, yeah, I got stuff in storage. I got stuff all over. Has been the bane, has been a growing lesson for me. It's been a lifelong lesson to release what no longer is needed and to move to bigger and better things. And to, yeah, I got one green finger. Oh, sparkly, sparkly. And to, yeah, really be with what I really need. And trust the universe always has everything for me that I require. And yeah, I can safely release and move along on my life's journey. Thank you, God. Release! Let go! That's the message of this video. Love you. ValerieLove.com. God bless you.